one unheard message.
Hey, Em, it's me. I know it's late. I just needed to hear a familiar voice. The site's incredible. You'd love it. The ruins go deeper than any maps show. Way deeper. We found a sealed chamber today. Perfect condition. Untouched. You always said this was the kind of thing people waited their whole lives to see. If you can, come down for a few days. I don't want you to miss being a part of this. I know I haven't been great about staying in touch lately. Let me do this for you. Use my card. Come see me. I'll drop a pin for you. And, don't tell anyone you're coming. It'll just complicate things.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We've begun our descent into Guatemala City. The local time is just after 6 in the morning. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened as we prepare for landing. We hope you've enjoyed your flight, and we appreciate you flying with Atlas Air.
Of course. A jungle in the middle of nowhere. Another one of Danny's adventures. Is this Danny's? Whoa. You really settled in, huh? Okay, that's actually incredible. Great. Bugs everywhere. Ugh. Now that is a view. Wow. Stunning. Those must be the catacombs. They look like they're built right into an old cave system. I hope Danny's inside. Danny?
place is a little creepy. But there's no bugs down here. That's a win. Our professor was supposed to be down here already. Tomorrow I'll check the lower chambers. See if him and his team have set up below.
Danny, are you in here? Oh, fuck. Danny wouldn't make that noise. Oh god, I gotta get out of here. No. But I just came in this way. That doesn't make sense.
I can't find the passage I came through. I swear it was right there. My headlamp is dying. And I keep hearing voices coming from the other chambers.
I'm going to kill Danny when I find him. Where am I? Oh, this isn't the same chamber. Okay. Maybe there's a way out nearby. The skeleton isn't like the others. Looks like it's holding something.
Someone's in here.
This wasn't a burial. This was an offering. The others were honored. These were thrown away. Why?
Hey, Em, listen to me. Don't come looking for me. Do not tell anyone about this place. People who come here don't leave. If you're hearing this, do it. Ah! Ah!
No! Oh God! Oh God! Daddy! Daddy, no! No!
My name is Lucas Reed. I was the only passenger on a chartered seaplane, piloted by Diego Morales. The flight was supposed to be just a short loop around the lake and back to the dock. About 10 minutes in, things started getting strange. The compass drifted off heading and the GPS couldn't hold a lock. The engines failed right after that. Somehow, we punched all the way through the jungle and came down inside of a massive underground cave. I had no idea a place like this even existed. No one ever mentioned anything like this near the lake. How far off course were we? The pilot died on impact. I woke up still strapped into my seat. I tried to climb out, but I slipped on the wet fuselage and fell into the water below. Something in my leg snapped. I think it's broken. Getting here took everything I had left. Someone finds this recording, please. Tell my family and my sons that I love them very much. I don't think I have the strength to go any further.
Hey, you reached David Miller. I can't get to the phone right now. Please leave a message. Thank you.
Dad? It's Danny's dead. I found him. What's left of him? Dad, please don't come here, okay? This place, it doesn't let people leave. Nobody. Dad, it's I found Danny.
Hey, Dad.
We're together. This place, Dad, it's incredible.
Hey, tell Daddy you should come down here.
Yeah, you should come. It's amazing.
Tonight, authorities are searching for a missing American woman and her brother in Guatemala. 26-year-old Emily Miller was last seen 3 weeks ago after traveling to the region near the Mirador Basin. Family members report she was meeting her brother, Daniel Miller, age 34, who had invited her to the area. Authorities located Emily Miller's rental vehicle in an isolated jungle area along with her brother's vehicle. During the search, investigators uncovered what appears to be a large undocumented archaeological site hidden deep within the jungle. The Alvarez Research Group has since announced plans to begin a full excavation of the ruins, describing the discovery as potentially unprecedented. Officials have declined to comment on whether the site is connected to the Millers' disappearances.